Hey there folks, this is DMC Jedi Man, and I'm coming to you with another taste test. Before I show off what's in this one, don't forget if you like my content, be sure to like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to stay notified when I upload next. So with Valentine's Day right around the corner, there's a new limited M&M's flavor. Strawberry Shake M&M's. So, obviously I'm going to try them for the channel. Hopefully these are good. Looks like they come in 3 different colors, so we will grab one of each. We have our choice between the Tommy, the Kimberly, and the Jason. And yes, that's a Mighty Morphin Power Rangers reference for anyone wondering. So let's try the Kimberly first. I mean, they're all the same flavor, but not bad. You taste the strawberry, but it does taste kind of like a milkshake as well. Now, yeah, they're good. There's a cross-section of them. Of course, with an M&M, you also sometimes have to have a few more than just one in your mouth at a time in order to see how the taste really is. So we've got our concentrated, ooh, mostly Tommies. That's awesome. Go Green Ranger, go. All right. Mmm. Yeah, those are good. I think they work a little better when you have more than just a single one in your mouth at a time. I would recommend 3 or 4 in each mouthful in order to get the full flavor experience. But yeah, if you can, track these down before they disappear from stores. They get the thumb of approval. Anyway, this has been DMC Jedi Man. I'm signing off. I'll be back with another video soon. Peace, everybody.